inform you what you are being charged with and to make sure that you understand the charges. I am not going to be asking if you agree with the charges. I'm not asking you if you understand why you are being charged with them. What I want to know, basically, is do you know what the words coming out of my mouth mean?
So I don't have, I'm not like I said before, I'm not a surety. Yeah. I'm not a ward. I'm actually a protected individual.
Okay, so Mr. Magoo, we will not be proceeding today with the arraignment. You are free to go to the door until the jail that you are finished. Thank you. Hello, can I have your name, please?
My name is Daniel Magoo.
Okay, you said your last name is pronounced Magoo?
Yes, ma'am.
And generally speaking, I appoint the public defender's office to represent at least at the arraignment stage, but I was informed that you didn't want to speak with the public defender, so are you intending to represent yourself for the arraignment?
I'm here to figure out what the charges are. What am I being charged with?
Now calling case number 25S00289. This is the state of Michigan versus Daniel Ryan Magoo. Can you please state your name for the record?
I'm trying to figure out what the charge is.
Yes, that is the purpose of the hearing today. So, as
who's the complaining victim?
As part of the proceedings, can I have you please state your name for the record?
My name is Daniel Magoo.
Okay.
And I am not a surety of the state. I'm not a ward of the state. Can I ask what the charges are?
Yes, I am getting there. Please give me a moment. So what we are here for today is an arraignment. The purpose of an arraignment is to inform you what you are being charged with and to make sure that you understand the charges. I am not going to be asking if you agree with the charges. I am not even going to be asking if you understand why you are being charged with them. The purpose is to make sure that you understand what the charges mean and that you understand what the potential maximum penalties are. So what I have here is a misdemeanor complaint that charges that on or about or between the dates of February 15th, 2025 and June 23rd, 2025 at 6 lot 72. You did maliciously use a service provided by a telecommunications service provider with the intent to terrorize, frighten, intimidate, threaten, harass, molest, annoy, or disturb the peace and quiet of Alyssa McCloskey, an individual with whom you have a child in common, by using any vulgar, indecent, obscene, or offensive language, or suggesting any lewd or lascivious act in the course of a conversation or message through the use of a telecommunications service or device. This is otherwise known as malicious use of a telecommunications service. Do you understand what the charge means?
I do not understand that. I do not understand malicious use of a telephone service.
Do you comprehend that what I am saying is that you allegedly maliciously used a telecommunications service device that would generally be a cell phone. I suppose it could also be a computer or something else.
No, that didn't happen.
Okay. And
February,
again, as
what were the dates? What dates?
Between February 15th and June 23rd.
Of this year?
This year. Yes. Okay. Now, as I stated at the beginning, I'm not asking you if you agree with the charges. I'm not asking you if you understand why you are being charged with them. What I want to know, basically, is do you know what the words coming out of my mouth mean?
No.
Okay. So the way that this is going to work is this. If I am not able to arraign you on the charges because I can't tell if you understand what I am saying, then the next thing that happens is that you get referred for a competency evaluation. At this point, I do not know how long that will take, and that means that you will stay where you are until we are able to either arraign you or you are determined to be incompetent.
So I don't have, I'm not like I said before, I'm not a surety. Yeah. I'm not a ward. I'm actually a protected individual and I did no crime. There has been no body of a crime, no corpus delicti. I have committed no crime. at all.
Mr. Magoo, if I cannot determine whether or not you can understand what you're being charged with, then I cannot arraign you.
Okay.
So,
If there is not a body of a crime, if I have not harmed anybody, then you can't arraign me. It's corpus delicti. It can't happen. And if you do try to enter in a plea of competency, or I don't know what is that? What you're gonna hold me here hostage until what? A body of a crime happens? When is the crime gonna happen?
okay. So, Mr. Magoo, we will not be proceeding today with the arraignment. You are free to go to the door and tell the jail that you are finished. Thank you.